Hi guys, in this video lecture I'm going to discuss about how to install Git on Linux operating system such as Fedora, Red Hat, CentOS operating system. To download the software, in Google search box write there Git, then go on this gitscm.com site. So let's click this. Here you can see this download for Linux. Now if you go there, here this is for Debian Ubuntu. So this for Debian or Ubuntu, this for Fedora, or you can use this on Red Hat and CentOS, etc. operating system by using this command. And here open SUSE this all. So let's use there for Fedora on Red Hat. So going to open their terminal. So let's open their terminal. Now on this place you need to write this command sudo then dnf install git. Sudo dnf install git. This command you need to use, press enter. So here you can see this version you can get from here, and 7 packages there: git code, git, perl, and perl git, this all. And here if you write y, press enter. So this here installing this git, insert the Linux operating system, right there y once again and y once again. So this is now installing this done here. So this got done here. Then after right there git minus minus version. There you can see 2.47.3 that I just installed. Right there git. Then you can get this terms. Here you can see this all commands for the git are available: add, mb, restore, bisect, so status, this all, commit, branch there. Okay, so this is how we can install this git on Linux operating systems such as Fedora, Red Hat, CentOS, Oracle, Linux, etc. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.